Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Morning, YouTube. Here with you on this Wednesday morning. I have to get Lexi this evening. Basically, I wanted to share with you, this is going to be a short one, Marty. Yeah. I want to basically share with you the schematic I drew up for the AM transmitter power supply, and everybody can see how it will be wired. Now there's one change I may make. You'll notice a resistor in the circuit with a question mark. Now my electronics guru Robert Gibbons has said that that's not necessary, because I was going to put a bleeder resistor in there. So I may not do that. It just depends on how much is left. You know, if it's done right, you don't really need a bleeder, but like I said, sometimes I don't do things right. So, anywho, I'm not going to bore you with a lot of details. Like I said, this is what it looks like, and I'll flash up a picture right here. Now that you've seen it, like I said, it's nothing special, but I did draw it up. It's only going to take the one connector. I went through a time with this. Like I said, I've emailed Robert back and forth a couple times about this. I thought I had figured that it needed 8 wires to begin with, and I did away with 2 of them by taking the LED and just running it over to the outputs on the front panel. That way I didn't have to have a connector going all the way back to the circuit board. So that made sense. So did that, and also I didn't figure out the correct. I was thinking I had 2 switch wires and 2 wires coming from the electricity in the back, the receptacle back there, and that was 4 wires. And then I had 2 wires for the LED. That made 6 wires. So I don't even know where I came up with 8. But anyway, 1 wire from the switch and 1 wire from the receptacle can be eliminated. So that made it come out to 4, basically. So anyway, that's what I did, and so I got the one molex connector, the old. It's basically a computer hard drive connector, and I've got a male and a female for that, so that'll be my connector that splits it apart, so I can take the top off, and you know, it'll be separate that way. So anyway, like I say, I'm making this way too long. So you guys, this is going to be it for today. There's no update on the power supply. I did do some video yesterday, but it's not enough to put out. I'm going to work on it some more today, and try to get up a video on it tomorrow, maybe. And so, you know, that's that. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you.